how to refer someone to the Status app. Open up the app itself, and once you have the app open, you will need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner, the one that I've currently highlighted. Afterwards, you will have to scroll down until you see Get Free Energy. Now you will see the option Refer a Friend, so click on Refer a Friend, and you have two options here. The first one is going to be giving them your referral code, which they will then need to use in this field, which is called Redeem Coffee with Code. Sorry about that. They will just put their code in here and click on Redeem Coffee, and they will get rewards. Another option which you have is sharing an invite link. If you click on Share Invite, it's going to open up your contacts and it's going to send them a message, if you select it obviously, like this. Finally, a new app that's actually good. Use the code and we both get stuff. And they will need to click on this link. It's going to open up the app itself, and you and that person whom you have referred will get rewarded. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.